Good morning, Anna. How are you feeling today?
Morning. I'm okay, just a bit tired. I slept late because I was finishing a long report.
Ah, no. Another late night reading session?
Yeah, the monthly report was huge, but I learned some useful vocabulary from it.
That's a good way to look at it. Anyway, coffee?
Yes, please. I can't start my day without it.
Same here. And happy Monday.
Happy Monday. A new week with lots to do.
True. So, what's your plan for today?
First, I'll clear my emails, then check the new project proposal. You?
Same. Reply to emails and prepare for our team meeting.
Great. Maybe while we work, we can talk about useful English phrases for emails.
Sounds good. So, how do you usually start a professional email?
I normally write hi plus the person's name.
That's good. Hi, John, or hello, Sarah is friendly and professional. For something more formal, use Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Lee.
And if I don't know the person's name,
Then you can write Dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern, though it's better to know the name if possible.
makes sense.
Right. After greeting, add a polite line like, I hope you're doing well, or I hope you're having a good day.
Yes, that sounds warm and polite.
Right. For example, Hi, Anna. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to ask about the new project schedule.
That sounds natural.
How do you usually end your emails?
Mostly with thanks.
That's fine. For formal emails, kind regards or best regards works well too.
Got it. Sometimes I feel my requests sound too direct. For example, instead of send me the file, what should I say?
Try, could you please send me the file? Or would you mind sending the file? Much more polite.
So instead of check this report, I should say, could you please check this report?
Exactly.
Oh, I just got a message from our manager.
What does it say?
Team, please review the attached report and share feedback by end of day. Regards, David.
Simple and clear. You can reply, Hi, David. Thanks for sharing the report. I'll review it and send my feedback soon.
Perfect. Can you check one of my drafts?
Sure.
I wrote, Hi, Lisa. Send the sales report today. Thanks, Mr. B.
Clear, but too direct. Try, Hi, Lisa. Could you please send me the sales report today? Thanks a lot, Mr. B.
Yes, that sounds better.
Coffee break?
Yes, just a little sugar, please.
How long have you been working here?
2 years already.
Wow, you must know everyone.
Mostly, but I still feel shy speaking English sometimes.
That's normal. You don't need perfect grammar. Just speak clearly.
True. I'll try to talk more at work.
Here are some small talk phrases. How was your weekend? Did you watch the match? How's your day going?
I usually just say, good.
That's fine. You can also say pretty good, not bad, or busy but good.
Busy but good, that's my favorite.
If stuck, talk about the weather, like, cold today, isn't it? Let's practice. Hi, Anna.
Hey, Mr. B, how's your morning?
Busy but good. You?
Pretty good, checking emails. How do I send a polite reminder?
Say, hi, just following up on my previous email, could you please share an update when you have time? If it's urgent, hi, just checking if you had a chance to review my previous email. We need the information by then.
Nice.
When sending attachments, instead of I send you the file, say, please find the attached file, or I've attached the report for your reference.
That sounds more professional. How about this? Hi, Anna. I hope you're doing well. Please find attached the new report. Could you please review it? Thanks and kind regards, Mr. B.
Perfect. Our meeting starts soon. Nervous?
A little.
Use simple lines like, I have an update on, or today I'd like to talk about.
And if I agree with someone?
Say, I agree, that's a good point, or I think you're right.
And if I don't?
Say, I see your point, but always polite.
What if I don't understand something?
Ask, could you repeat that? Or could you speak a bit slower?
And if I need to leave early?
Sorry, I have another meeting now. Or, sorry, I need to step out for another task.
Got it. We learned so much already. Emails, meetings, greetings.
And it's only 10 a.m. Busy, but good.